I fight and take the back down to them, man.
Yeah.
I tell you, listen, Joe.
You myself Boom Boom, man, and live good and clean and share the food people out there on the ground, man. Go and spend nice again. That's what I say. Look out for Boom Sundays are forward back again. Go and spend nice again. Big up Boom Boom.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, blessed love, a peasant. Good morning. Monday morning, the 6th of November. We say give thanks to life, you know. Give thanks to another day, give thanks to the rising, though. Yeah, man, to my fellow Jamaicans. All over the world, the whole diaspora, big up on yourself. No matter African, Caribbean, European, English, American. As I said, no matter, just know, say, one unity, one love. See? Yeah, man, so, there. Now I'm line for that this morning. Now my badge. I rushed late, finished late this morning. See me? Still have to get up and go up on the school run. So we got real father them out there, we got the mother them, real mothers them. See the stepmother, stepfather who are the right by your stepchild or the biological child. See? I line for the man of peace. Blessed love. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and hit the bell. Come quick. Yeah, man, so I don't know as usual. There with the warrior, they make them tell them good morning, you know. So see them at Asha Malachi.
Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Have a good one.
Alright, let's have a good one today, see? Yeah, man, so you know the flag, you have flag on the go, yeah. Drop them off, head to the gym, to the leisure center, we go lift some weights and you know what I mean, big up my trainer Kingsley, you see me? Yeah. I'm do some abs work and thing. And yeah, but more do that particular blog here for say big up Boom Boom, Royal Boom. You see? Yeah, man, I watched the interview last night. And the reasoning I should say, that's not the reasoning with Jeffrey. Yeah. And it was very, very interesting, inspiring, as I say, and uplifting. Yeah, and Boom Boom speak is truth, naturally. See me? I mean, a different level of respect again. Pick up Jeffrey, you do great work out. You see me I say? Yeah, man, so Boom Boom stressed on his career journey, musical journey, you know. Born in our house, father took him to Grand Spend and left him with his aunt, who is called his grandmother. And when I was saying, go over Jeffrey, people on my platform, if you don't watch Boom Boom Reasoning with Jeffrey podcast, go over there, go check it out. You see me I say? Yeah, so. Yeah, man, she's journey when they're in England. Remember when Boom Boom they're in England? R&B club. You see me I say? All of it there. Crystal Blue. You see me? Morning, my God.
Yes, sir, Dad.
Yes, sir? Yeah. Yeah, man, so. Crystal Blue. The one of the King Glamour forward in England end up there, you know? Yeah, man, R&B club. But this is Boom Boom tell you the history of R&B club. All of it there. You see? Quick. See you later. It's a morning, go on.
Good morning.
Morning, Ben.
Morning, Malachi. Morning, Asha.
Friday was nice.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, see it? Let's drop out for the school now. Yeah, so. Yeah, man, Boom Boom Reasoning. Man, I make you know, say, yo, I've put in the work and me myself felt a bit bad. And I really think, I'm in England, depression. The country is very depressing, you know. I when you have money, there's not much to do. Cool and you know, me as an artist, but I feel like the music now evolved the right way. You see me? My musical strength is when I Jamaica up on the ground, in the streets. Just as a Boom Boom say, you feel at the streets. Social media alone now do it. You see me? Instagram, TikTok, Facebook is very good. But you still have to dip on the ground, in the streets, let the people must see you. You see me? And a real thing Boom Boom matter. That's what I'm saying. More time I feel waste that then we have to come back and do a one year course. You see me? Go back to school and gain some, you know what I mean? Certificates and qualification and so I can do certain things in the future. You see me? Psychologically certified. You see me? I say customer service. all of them things there, you see me? Yeah. You know? So right now, me I tell them in favors and stuff. Yeah, man, Boom Boom reasoning. Man, we can know say the corruption in the dancehall is real, you know? It not go nowhere.
Yeah.
I tell you, listen, Jay. Enough man laugh with you, you know, and talk with you, and smile with you, you know. Looking at your face, you know. You see me? But them don't want to see you do better than them. Them don't want to see you elevate, bro. You see, dancehall full of beer hypocrite, beer corruption. You hear that? My band come see it and me I got dead left it, brother. Me and you, none of we can change that, bro. You see?
The band come see it, him get involved in it. You see me I say, and him got dead left the corruption same way. Him got dead left music same way. And others are going forward in it. You see me? The money enough. The man said the money enough. So why we fight over it? Every week him fly. And that's true. You see me, big up Harry Hype. You know, he shared that him and Harry Hype are forward from day one. You see me I say? The big up Flex. You see me? Flex and I don't know, singing sweet. You see me? Kabaki. You see me I say Kibaki, yeah. You know, yeah man, gunsmen in place, man, and the man stressed about the flaggers them. You know, how them put them gunsmen and war and all of them things there. All of the vloggers them man who are clickbait and a different thing. You know? And yeah, I put myself in that bracket too because I vlog about the warriors, about gunsmen. But gunsmen are my place. You see me? You know my vlog them, when I vlog about what go on, you know, you have to, my vlog them have to be very positive. And I tell the youth themselves to stop the crime and think, you know, think before you squeeze the trigger. Some of my vlog them always tell you what I'm vlog about what go on in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, we just try to make sure say yo, when I vlog about the violence in any garrison in Jamaica, in my community, we have to make the youth them know say yo, it don't make no sense, you know. You see, my favors and subscribers. So everyone, so Boom Boom interview was very, the reason it was very interesting and uplifting, and the man shows you from nothing to something. You know, he could have been a 10 times millionaire than how he is right now. He never hide it. The man say, I'm a millionaire, I'm rich. He could have been 10 times richer than how he is, but you must help people. You know, you must help people. The care packages a month time, a week time. Make sure him fans them, him cheerleaders them, him dancers them. You see me? I get them 15 grand, when I get 15 grand, get them 10 grand. You see me? A week time, you know? And that is good, because he might give back to the youth around him. You see me? And that is one thing why I say Boom Boom is prospering. And he's very prosperous, and him always a rain because he might give back. And the people them know say he might give back. He may not, he can't give a lot to one person, but he might share the food, he might broke bread. You see me? Because it's clear to see that Boom Boom, he might make money in a party them, whole heap of money and give it, and he might give back people. And he might take some for himself by writers and give so much of the business set. See, but he must say, yo, the business is very ungrateful, you know. It's not. One part of the interview where me like, work me there and listen it last night, and you have to catch the numbers and put it in. The man say, yo, it's not everybody who smile with you. They will laugh up with you and smile up with you and go like them with you, but them no want to see you prosperous or fly past them. Yeah, you don't want to see you fly past them because them see say you're talented, and yeah, a real thing. A real thing. I mean, I put myself in that category too. You have some, you know, some people in the same profession, the same field, but because them see say you're talented. Not just music, I experience it in a refereeing. You know what I mean? I experience it in a refereeing, you know what I mean? In the workplace as well, people say you're talented and you can do your thing. And we used to make money queens. We used to make money queens, you know. Yeah, we used to make money queens, and you know. When my father-in-law get me the job, my wife, father and thing, and you know the boss, them she said, I'm skillful. Because everything made them try to do it to perfection, you know. Yeah, the boss, he said, I'm very perfective, you know what I mean? Is that a word? Yeah. That's what I say. But yeah, mannequin smooth, and after them train me up and everything, I start make how much mannequin I pass my target, and I do more. So I incentive, so I'm quick and I'm very skeptical. You know, my mannequin them smooth and neat and accurate and carve out well, and you know what I mean? Eyes on the breast them and them thing, then man and woman mannequins queens them, and you used to have this brother, you know, start get jealous because him did how much years before me, you know, him sister me just forward and I get high appraisal. You see me to me end up start cook. Because them find out say I'm a good cook, so I end up start cook and bring food and I sell because them ask me to do it. You see me, because when I cook my food and bring and I eat, them I say, yo, like this is West London, near Chelsea football club, you see me? And I went up a fight, I start getting end up that me and the brother, I couldn't take it no more, so I lash out and, you know what I mean, lick one of the fiberglass and the mannequin leg and piece of the thing chip off and catch it. End up get a caution. I was arrested, but I get a caution. You know, because, yeah, I never lick him or nothing. I should have just hold my temper, but I saw bad mind still. When people see progress, they try everything for the devil strong. Zine, so I ended up with a caution. This was 2007, you know? Yeah, I ended up coming to Jamaica, get a link with Suzy Q, end up at Jamaica. Suzy Q tell me to forward, I'm forward down at Jamaica. I'm going to officer, Ochi, Zine. And that's when I met Teflon for the first time. Big up yourself, Teflon. The young king. You see me make Teflon in the studio and Suzy Q. So, yo, upcoming artist, you know, make our engineer, you know, going to the studio and build the rhythm. And while I sing the song and build the rhythm, the old mama. Big up Suzy Q, Paula, and we can't forget your mama. You see me? And she said, she tell me some talented, you know, but the music is corrupt. But I have to do Jamaica. I went Boom Bomm, I say, I really think I have to do on the ground. So I'm so forward in Jamaica, so forward. You see me, I say, so I prefer going to some event thing, you know, but I don't talk my business. You see me? Yeah, England, and nothing now go on. I'm to out of England. If I work, if I pay bills, and now 5, 6 youth, I have one adult now. Other 5 of them, I still have to try and make ends meet, you know. And one get this week, and next one get the next week, you know. I balance the thing, because some is a man stay, you know. Now I live for myself, I live for my youth and who I can help. But I'm not in the position to help like that because I'm broke. You see me, but I live. You see me? Yeah, so when I read on the battlefield, you know, that's why enough of them really like me because I'm real. I'm humble, I'm a man away, antisocial. You see me, but I clean out youth, my heart clean. You see me, so boom boom. Yeah, man, say I get a whole heap of fight and them try to shoot him out of the business, but them can't stop him because God and, you know, him sign him management deal and boom, sign contract with Boom and other corporate entities, you know. When I tell you, them say, yo, believe in yourself, you know, and stop running and vice up your bag of producers because of them sit down by your song them and I wait till your boss them start dash them out. A real thing. And I mean, yeah, so stress about the selector them where play a 3-party. It don't make sense, it not worth it. You see me? And I really think you burn out the energy there, so you rush to go to the next party, you rush to play the song, and you're not really, sister, you're not show your true talent them because you rush to play a 3-4 party, you rush the money. So be professional, do your one thing and the thing we set and people will see how professional you are. You see me, and then we get more bookings, you see me, honey? You get more bookings, that's it. So big up Boom Bomm, man. As me say, I'm go over there, I'm gonna watch out the full reasoning, man. It's an hour and a half, but hour and a half hour, hour and 40 minutes. That's it, but it's very nice and upfeel and inspiring. I am motivated by it. Boom Bomm, I'm a general car. You see, I go and link Boom Bomm, we did that with a vibe. I do a song with Boom Bomm name like the Jordan, me and Wheeler Skill. And I do a next song, Welcome to Kingston, with Boom Bomm night. Boom Bomm name night. So look out for the visual here forward soon. Yeah, I'll shoot that one there in Jamaica. But as I said, I'm not let out my business them because I have some people who talk and pray for your journey and success for stopping and crash. So, hold it, man. That's what I say. Boom Bomm, big up yourself. Alright, big up yourself. That's what I say. Big up all of the DJs and the selectors them. On the ground. And in England too. Yeah, man, Boom Bomm also straight. Hey, Boom Bomm love England, you know? But Boom Bomm love England because that's a journey start. You see me? Yeah, man, Boom Bomm love. I'm love when big up. Everybody in praise, everybody and give everybody them props. You see me, Andrew Fresh, Zine, Bounty Killer, hey, man, tell us I swear, Bounty Killer the general. Yeah, man. Bounty Killer tell Boom Boom say, yo, you have to come back here. They're foreign too long. Shaggy tell me that. Big up yourself, Sharon Burke. 2012, Shaggy tell me that. Where I do ya? I have to come here. Sharon Burke bring me to Shaggy and say, a good artist, you know, I want to our youth. You see me? Yeah, man. And Shaggy tell me, say, yo, when I sing my first song, all my mind say, I know it. You see me? It was a big song, you know, bring me to America, I go to the show with David, open show with David, you know, the old mama, you know, but we don't know style, we don't know, we just need to break the ice and break the spell, you see me? But you know we are going to do it, you see? So Shaggy tell me, you know my face, side of Sharon Burke, say, oh, that yard, I have to come back a yard, you see me? And I went back 2018 and I always go back a yard every year, you know, but 2018 we did end up one big push. You see me, man, look at money I have run out and burn out, you know? So I have to forward back. For the 2 years, almost 2 years I do out there. I went close nearly to get the breakthrough, but you know, get held back for reasons beyond my control. You see it, so you have to come back to the drawing board and there. You see it, so I love and blessings, man. You see me? That's why I start vlogging now. I'm not on vlogger. Yeah, that's why I start turn vlogger now, but I'm still an artist. Artist of a thing. Music, but I start black. I end up saying, I push more than music, and I can push more and push. Give the support music to my brothers and sisters. Then. You see it? Yeah, but I love, man. Boom, boom. Big up yourself, man. Right now, I'm head to the gym right now. GYM, not JIL. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm going to do some work and thing. You see it, sir? I love and blessings, man. Big up yourself, Boom Boom, man. And live good and clean and share the food people out there on the ground, man. Grand spend nice again. That's what I say. Look up for Boom Sundays a forward back again. Grand spend nice again. Big up Boom Boom. Yeah, man, I like put the man of peace, man. That's me say, what if I think Boom Boom talk about, man? What if I think? And then big up everybody, man. Bounty Killer. You see me, I say I'm general. You see me, the man say me pick my side with Cartel and Mavado them. Play the two of them. You see, but I go him say because Mavado the first man. You see me? Give him dub plate and boss what if I song pan dub plate. You see? Yes, so as me say, nah, say no more. No, just go over there, go watch the full reasoning. You see me? But big myself, Boom Boom, man. Big up everybody for the ground. I want love, man. I want my lion, man of peace. See? Yes, sir, like pro shots. Yeah, man. London, Beckham, SE50. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm Boom Boom journey start. See? Beckham, right with it. Oh, Emmanuel, I see. Yes, Joe.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, Boom Boom I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.